Hey Cozy Crew, it's Jessica with Stay Cozy Creative Co. and I'm coming to you from the British Virgin Islands where I'm attempting with my family to go towards a dream that we've had for a while, which is being near the water and on the water more and more. And so I've often wondered, how does that happen while also keeping my love for fiber arts and for yarn when life would look so much different than it does in Iowa. So for this first trip of ours, I actually got a DIY kit from, let me find it, the Candy Shop. And they are located in Ukraine and sent me this DIY kit where it's a chenille yarn that has loops that were already put in it. And I'm making a baby blanket following their pattern where it's kind of like a crisscross stitch. And I've already used one of the skeins of yarn and it comes with 5. So now I'm going to start my second skein and continue across. And this has been really nice because it's a small enough project where I was able to bring it along with us even though our packing was limited. And it's similar enough to what I've done that I'm able to pick it up fairly easily. So I actually began this blanket on the flight down, and the DIY kit itself came with all of the yarn vacuum sealed in a little bag and then shoved into a small box. So I actually was able to fit the box into my backpack on the plane and get started. And you don't need any materials except for what they give you in the DIY kit. So it's the 5 skeins of the looped chenille yarn, and then it also comes with a needle and some thread, which I think is for connecting the yarn tails, but honestly, I haven't looked into that part yet. I kind of just got started right away with the pattern, and I've never done one of these crisscross stitches. So what I can say is that it definitely takes more thought and effort than just a regular hand knit blanket. I think with this style of pre-looped yarn, you could totally just make a regular hand knit blanket, but it's kind of fun doing the crisscross stitching where you alternate with each row because it gives it a little thicker of a feel when you're done, and it just looks pretty interesting. I also want to shout out the DualShot recorder app that I downloaded. It was created by Derek Downey Jr., and you can record landscape mode at the same time as vertical social media mode, and it's honestly been a game changer. So this isn't sponsored, but it's been really cool, and I hope you guys stick around for the rest of this project. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay cozy, creative, and kind.